Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel. And if it is your first time here, kindly please do like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you do like what you see at the end of the video. And by the way, my name is Gigo, and this is the hill project that we're building for one of our subscribers. It's been quite a journey, and we've done so much with this project. If you are interested to know more, you can go to my playlist. It's called The Hill Project. You know where we started and where we are heading. So today's video is a quick one. It's going to be a quick one about the decking. As you can see, the guys have started with the beam plate, which will demarcate the windows, the doors, and that kind of stuff. So this gives it a little bit shape, which we will see later in the video. So please stay till the end of the video so you appreciate what we are showing you. So this is what's going on. As I said in my previous video, we are doing just half of it now, and then later when we cast this side, we move the wood to the next section to cast the rest, because it's a very huge project, and going all in full decking is going to be a lot of money and also a lot of work, and we cannot cast this thing in just 1 day or 2 days. So better we go one step at a time. So as you can see for yourself, good spirits, good people, colleagues, if you have a team, no matter how difficult the project is, we are always there to work with you, in a happy mood. And that is the spirit. Building is always about management. You need a good team and a plan. Which is more important is the plan. If you have a plan, there is no stress in construction. You do what you can at a given time, and you see results. No matter how much you are putting into it, what you have, just make a plan and keep pushing the way you want to go. And all you need is to discuss it with the builder or the contractor. Just be real. This is how much I can put in every month. Make a plan and then just start building and keep the flow. That is the most important thing, is that you keep the flow, because sometimes, building, I have been there before. When you are building with less money, the thing that keeps you going is the flow. You don't stress yourself too much, and then the building is going. Even if they have to lay 500 blocks in a whole month, it's progress. The flow gives you the joy, and the joy, keeps you moving, no matter how hard, life is, because you always have the joy in the progress that you've seen with your project. It doesn't matter how hard it is, you always put the money into the building. And one thing about construction, which I know, is that if you send $200 home, for your project, and you see the work of the 200, like what the $200 have done for your project, it doesn't matter if it did something huge with the project or less. The fact that you know that I sent 200 and the 200 has done this, you are happy with it. It doesn't matter how huge your project or how small it is. And that is the feeling, you get when you are building, and it makes you want to go more and more and more and more. So you need a team that is going to help you to achieve that kind of feeling, and that will energize you to keep pushing. And by the time you realize, in 2 years time, you are done building your house without no much stress. During the process, of course, you're going to feel it, because you keep sending money and all you see are blocks. But you get to the stage where just sending even 100 euros or $100 will make a big change. So this is a motivation. Just start doing something. Don't wait till you get a huge sum of money Of course, foundation always takes a huge sum of money, but then when you are done with your foundation, the rest is up to you. Let's say you use the whole year to do your block work. The following year, you can use it to do your decking, or if you want to go for roofing, you go for your roofing. And then the third year, you can look at your plastering, electricals, and then as you move forward, the cost also reduce because you don't need so much to do one thing. You can tackle one room at a time. When you are done with one room, you go to the next room, you move to the next room, and that's how you plan. So like I said, it's always about planning, it's always about what you want. It's not a race. Don't go in or just tackle it one at a time and you will get it done. So if you are looking for a team to work with or to help you build that dream house of yours, we are here to help. You can send me email and I'll forward you to the right people that you contact with yourself. You work with them directly. If you need me to come in to help with one or two things, I will also be there to guide you. But I trust these guys, and you can work with them directly without any help or any assistance from anybody. And if you want to see more, you can go to my playlist. You see projects that we have, undertaking for our subscribers here on the channel, and just see it for yourself. The work being done, neat job, quality job being done here. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Kindly please do like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We have more projects coming up. Thanks for staying once again, and I will see you in my next episode. Look, do we?